Hello friends, today I will show you how I built a motorcycle garage frame in just one day. Let's take a look at the whole process. We start by preparing the piles. I carefully clean the surface to ensure a secure connection. This is an important step, as the strength of the entire structure depends on it. At the end of the video, I'll tell you how much my wife and I earned in one day and show you photos of the finished garage frame after painting. I hope you enjoy the process. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Now I weld the base to the piles. My wife helps me here, and we're doing great together. Welding is not only physical work, but also teamwork. After the base is ready, we proceed to assemble the frame from square pipes. Every detail is precisely customized so that everything is strong and secure. And now, after a few hours of hard work, the frame is ready. I am very happy with the result. We earned $500 that day, which is not bad, don't you agree? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.